In this session, we will learn how to split a multipart feature into single part in QGIS. Let's create a multipart polygon first. First, create a new shapefile polygon layer. Now select the polygon layer and click on Toggle Editing button. And then click on Add Polygon tool. Now create a polygon and right-click to finish. Click on Select Feature tool and select the polygon. Now right-click on Toolbar and turn on Advanced Digitizing Toolbar. From Advanced Digitizing Toolbar, click on Add Part tool. Now add more polygons. To finish a polygon, right-click and then digitize another one. When you are finished, turn off Toggle Editing mode. This is a multi-part polygon. That means all polygons are a part of a single feature. When you select one, all polygons are selected. When we want to delete one, all will be deleted. Now let's split this multi-part polygon into single parts. Under Plugins menu, select Manage and Install Plugins. Search for Multipart. Click on Multipart Split plugin and then install. Select the feature and click on Split Feature Parts tool. Now the polygons are splitted. We can select individual polygons now.